Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WebStorm, JetBrains' powerful IDE for JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and more. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this setup is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the official JetBrains website. I will leave the link below in the description, so don't worry about typing it out. Here, you can see that we have a download button right there. All you need to do now is click on this download button. JetBrains will automatically detect your operating system and offer the correct version for you. This tutorial is for Windows. But don't worry, if you're using Mac OS or Linux, the process is very similar. Once you click on the save button right here, your download will start right away. This may take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. All right, so download is now complete. Let's go ahead and click on the file right here. Once you double click or once you start the installation, you will see a pop-up coming up and saying like whether you want WebStorm to make changes on your machine. I clicked yes, and then it gave me this window. So over here, we would go ahead and click next. I will leave this default because I want JetBrains to install it in the C drive under program files. So I'll go ahead and leave it as it is. Click next. I don't want any shortcut to my desktop or anything like that. You can go ahead and update the bean path. That's totally up to you if you want to do that. And then click next, click install, and this will start the installation. All right, so the installation is now complete. We can go ahead and click the Run WebStorm and then go ahead and click Finish. Now you can go ahead and select the right one for you. There is a free non-commercial use, there is a free 30-day trial, and there's an activate license. For activate license, you do need to have the license key, or you need to have the JetBrains account connected to your license, either one. If you do not plan to use this for commercial use, you can go ahead and click the free non-commercial use, and then you can go ahead and log in. I went ahead and logged into my JetBrains account. And since I already have the PyCharm and IntelliJ downloaded, it is asking me if I want to import the settings from there or my Visual Studio Code. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and import my settings from PyCharm. You don't have to do that. You can just say skip import and just go with that. All right, so it seems like the importing settings have been completed, and now our WebStorm will start and we will be able to see it and create new projects in it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Let me know if there is any feedback or if you guys want me to do more videos on WebStorm, or if you guys want me to create a project with it or show tutorials on downloading or installing other softwares. Please let me know, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.